Hey, how's it going everybody? My name is Jimmy Brooks. Thanks for stopping into the channel. So today we have an electric bike here to review. This is the Eskute C100. I had previously reviewed the Eskute Natuno mountain bike, and that was very impressive for the price point. And this is even cheaper. This is about half the price. I've seen these go for $350 on sale. Right now they're about $500. And man, you got a lot for your money. So this is a really affordable, good looking bike. I mean, we got the leather on the handles here, on the handlebars, grips, and then we got the nice seat, and it's just so comfortable. I've been waiting to try a cruiser e-bike for a while because that's seems like the ultimate, just lazy boy, you don't even really need to pedal that hard. It seems like the best application for an electric motor on a bicycle, in my opinion. So we have 5 levels of assist on the pedals. We have throttle right here. We have a Shimano 7-speed, just like the Natuno. We have disc brakes front and rear. It does come with a luggage rack. I'm not running it today because I wasn't planning on ringing anything, but it does come with a luggage rack. So we got the rear and front fender, comes with a light right here. This is a 350 watt motor, and it's actually running a lower voltage system compared to other e-bikes. Perhaps that could make it get better range. This gets on a full charge about 20 to 30 miles, and it'll run a continuous 20 miles an hour. So pretty good for the price point. I remember 10-15 years ago, yeah, you're not getting a 350 watt full size cruiser for less than $1,500, $2,000, something like that. So to get this at the $300 to $500 price point, that's incredible. So let's set off here and just see how it cruises along. The throttle works really good. It's really responsive, but this it's so easy to pedal in the cruiser position that this is the first e-bike where I like the pedal assist more than using the throttle. And I really like the brakes on this one. No squeak. I appreciate the no squeak. I can definitely feel the power difference between a 350 watt versus a 750, obviously, but this does not too bad. Once you get it up to the 18 to 21 miles an hour that it'll go, it stays there very, very good. It's very good at maintaining its speed. And that's really all we need out of this right now. Just like any other 350 watt bicycle, such as the Jetsons from Costco. The uphill is not its strong suit, but yeah, see, I can't even feel any resistance in the pedal on the downhill. So you just hold that throttle and you can cover some ground. As you can see, the 21 right there. Oh yeah, now we're just cruising. Beautiful. Very easy to steer. I'll even test it on a very unforgiving uphill. So we'll go over to that right now. The only thing I think I'd want more of is the padding in the seat. Obviously, at the price point that it is, it's more of a budget build, so, I mean, we can't have it all, but cruiser, oh, thank you. But, yeah, for a cruiser motorcycle, all your weight is basically on your butt. You're just straight up and down upright. So, I feel like I could ride this for about a half hour, but I'd be, moving all around the seat after that. It's not like a all-day comfort kind of thing they give you there. But that's not a Eskute issue. That's just an e-bike problem. You know, the usually stock seats are not the most comfortable thing. So this is the downhill I'm talking about. Look at that. Look at that. We're going 25 miles an hour down this. 26. It's pretty good. If you get yourself a downhill, you can mosey. And then let's do a hard brake. Let's go. Not bad, not bad. I'd like a little more stopping power out of discs, but for how heavy this thing is, being an e-bike, I'm not complaining too much. So now, let's let this Lexus go by. So this is like a medium kind of grade uphill. If I give it a little bit of assistance, we can get it up to 15 on that full throttle. Not too bad. Oh, we got on the sidewalk here. And then now here's the uphill that 350s never make it up. Let's see. Throttle alone, can we do it? 8, 7, nope. It's gonna lose it. But if you pedal in full throttle, this uphill is no joke. So if it can make it up this with a pedal, you're not gonna get stuck anywhere. So look at that. On a cruiser budget bike, you have enough power to make it up any hill you desire. Live in San Francisco, San Diego with the hills, I think you'll be okay on this bike. That's pretty impressive. You know, this thing is it doesn't have any rear suspension on it, but I think the cushion combined with these just large diameter tires, they're hitting like cracks in the road differently than a small wheel would. So you don't really even need rear suspension, and the front is squishy, nice and squishy. Yeah, everything feels really solid on this. There's nothing's rattling, nothing's creaking, nothing feels loose. I think you could take this over a wide variety of routes and be okay. You could probably use it for some light commuting. You live, you know, a few miles, maybe 3, 4, 5 miles from wherever you work. I think you'd be okay on this. The sun's coming down now. Okay. Let's do some. Alright. Bonus test. Off-road. Let's see how it does in a little bit of dirt. These are not the best trails here. So let's see what it can do. Not bad, not bad. Not bad. Let's see, we got all kinds of loose stuff. Not losing traction. Pretty good. Pretty good. Alright, I don't want to take it over this thing, so I'm going to turn around. See how easy this thing is to turn around. Of course. There we go. It'll do a little burnout. Let's see if we can get it up a hill from a dead stop without having to walk it. Yeah, there we go. Oh, there we go. Steep little jump. Be able to roll over that, no problem. Pretty good. There you go. Need to take it through a little trail real quick. No problem. Not bad. Feels pretty solid through there. That's super bumpy. Nice. I can see my shadow. Oh yeah, this thing feels great. Overall, I am super impressed with what you get for the price. I think you could do a little bit of commuting on here, You could take it on a little dirt trail. Everything feels solid. It's got that front suspension. It'll go 20 for probably well over 20 miles. And it's really good looking. This looks, especially from like, if you're standing 10 feet away from the thing, it looks like $1,000 bike, if not more. So pretty good. It doesn't look budget at all. I could tell that's what they were going for with, the stitched leather on the grips and everything. And battery's super easy to take out right here. You just pop that off and put it next to an outlet, charge it up. It's good to go. Awesome product. Another awesome product from Eskute. Good company so far. They started in 2019 and they've been doing good things ever since. So that's going to wrap up my thoughts on this bike, the C100. Can't wait to see what else they got in store, and I'll keep you guys updated, and I'll talk to all of you next time. See ya.